Hi guys, in this video you'll learn how to dual boot Kali Linux and Windows 10 without any errors. So let's begin. Open up your browser, type Kali Linux download and hit enter. Click on the first link. Now you need to download this ISO image because this is the officially recommended ISO. So click on this. As you can see, now it's downloading. Our download is now complete. Now again go to your browser, type Rufus download and hit enter. Click on the first link. Then click on this to download. Click on this. Click on show in folder. Now right click Rufus and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. First select your USB drive. You need minimum 4 GB USB drive. Then click on select and select the Kali Linux ISO image. Click on open. Now click on start. Click on yes. Make sure that you select write in DD image mode, which is very important. So select this and click on OK. Click on OK again. Click on close. Right click start button and select disk management. You need to shrink any one of your partition to about 55 GB. Right click any one of your partition and click on shrink volume. Type 55,000, which means 55 GB, and click on shrink. 55 GB unallocated space is now created. Close disk management. Go to Windows search and type system information. Click on this. This is very important part. Check whether your BIOS mode is in legacy or UEFI, and remember it because this will help us later on in our video. Now close this. Without using internet it took me about 40 minutes for the installation to complete, and with internet it took me about 3 hours to complete. So even though I am connected to the internet, I am not going to use it. With your USB plugged in, restart your computer. Go inside your boot menu by pressing appropriate key. Mine is F12, yours might be different. If you are in legacy mode, select the option which has only the name of the USB drive. If you are in UEFI mode, then select the option which has UEFI mentioned along with the name of the USB drive. I am in legacy mode, so I am going to select this and hit enter. Select graphical install and hit enter. Select your language. Just double click your location. Select your keyboard layout. Sometimes you will get error message like this: network auto configuration failed. If you get this error message, just click on continue and select do not configure the network at this time and click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue again. Type in a username. Click on continue. Click on continue again. Type in a password. Type it again and make sure these two match. Click on continue. Select manual and click on continue. Now just double click free space. Double click create new partition. Now type 20 GB and don't forget to type GB. Click on continue. Click on continue again. Click on continue once more. Double click this and double click ext4 journaling file system. Double click mount point and double click the root file system. Now click on done setting up the partition and click on continue. Again double click free space, double click create new partition. Now type 30 GB, click on continue, click on continue again, click on continue once more. Double click this and double click ext4 journaling file system. Double click mount point and double click user home directories. Now click on done setting up the partition and click on continue. Double click free space one more time, double click create new partition. No need to change anything, just click on continue. Click on continue again. Double click this and double click swap area. Now click on done setting up the partition and click on continue. Now click on finish partitioning and write changes to disk and click on continue. Select yes and click on continue. This is very important part. If you do this wrong, then it will take hours to complete and sometimes installation may get failed. If you are in this step, configure the package manager. Just click on go back. Continue without a network mirror. Select yes and click on continue. Click on continue again. Install the grub bootloader to the master boot record. Select yes and click on continue. If you see a list like this, you will have to select /dev/sda and click on continue. Installation is now complete. Click on continue. Your computer will automatically restart. Select Kali Linux and hit enter. Type your username and password and click on login. If you don't do this, then you will not be able to update or upgrade or install any packages. Go to start menu and open up the web browser. Click on documentation. Click on general use. Click on updating Kali. Copy these two lines. Minimize the browser and open up terminal. Type echo space pipe symbol space sudo space t space /etc/apt/sources.list and hit enter. Type in your password and hit enter. Then type sudo space nano space /etc/apt/sources.list and hit enter. You will see something like this. Now paste the copied text. It will look something like this. Now press Ctrl S and then press Ctrl X. The process is now complete. And if you want to update and upgrade Kali Linux, you can do that. Just type sudo space apt space update space and space sudo space apt space full -upgrade and hit enter. Now type Y and hit enter. It's not mandatory to update and upgrade Kali Linux and it's totally up to you. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then please do consider subscribing to our channel. Bye.